Ain't had no role model, I'm the girl's role model. Stepping over haters, bitch, I'm in Balenciaga. I'm a robber, any robbers for them blue dollars. Huncho, ride foes, I'm a crypto. Southside with my brothers like a strip club. Jack girl, pretty face with a big hoe.
Here's the wig. This hair is from Isee hair. I got it on my little mannequin doll, and I already prepped it. All I did was pluck the part and hot combed it back. But y'all, this wig was really good. Like, I didn't have to do much of this wig at all. But bleach knots, it came already plucked. I'm obviously gonna put makeup on this because this is not my color, but yeah. Put makeup over my ears. Put the wig cap over my ears. Make sure it's covered. And you're probably like, why are you putting the cap over your ears? Does the cap have to go over your ears? I'm putting the cap over my ear because it allows the glue, it allows the cap to really get stuck on your head. If that makes sense, y'all. I'm not that good at explaining stuff. Like, when you don't have the ear holes cut out, you can't get the cap really glued down to your head. So with the cap cut, you see that? The cap on my skin, the glue will be able to really, the cap will really be able to be on your head without it rolling off. Got the Be Glue Free Splash Spray. I'm just gonna spray it across my hairline. So it's gonna take a while to dry. So very, very wet. Like me. Get my blow dryer, zoom y'all out. And just gonna blow dry across a little bit on high, cool. And I use cool whenever I dry. I always use cool because heat will make you sweat, so it won't really let it dry. So I use high. Cause I bring that spot, I got that set, ain't no one's of mine, nope, too raw, nope, I'm buying it. Take my makeup and put it on the wig cap. I don't know which one more my color, honestly. But yeah, I'm just put the makeup on there. This is not my color. I don't know. I'm gonna make some. I think this one. I'm gonna make some. It don't have to be your exact color, but it's best for it to be like really. Oh, this is not my color. But my ear, y'all know what I'm trying to say, bro. There we go. And I'm doing the same for the other side. And that's why it's important for it to be very dry. I should let it dry more, but it's really good enough. But it's important for it to be very dry because if you cut it, it'll start lifting. And then I just go ahead and cut in the middle. Can y'all see that enough? And just cut. So I like to take these. Y'all gonna see a lot of makeup and a lot of dirt come off. It works, and make sure all the oil is off. And I'm doing this to get all the oil off my skin to allow the adhesive to stick to my forehead. So yeah, most people wipe with alcohol, but I don't like to use alcohol. I like to use this because it works perfectly fine for me. So y'all see this lace? It's white. Like, girl, this is not my color. So I'm gonna have to tint this lace. Some people use lace tint spray. I just use my makeup, honey. I'm not doing all that because that takes a long time to dry and all that. So I just use my makeup. But y'all see how it's white? Watch this. So I'm gonna put my back comb in. I always put my back comb in. I don't really use the side combs or front comb. But yeah, y'all see this wig fits good on my head, like snug, honey, period. And I have not did anything to this hair, like flat ironed it or nothing yet. Just the front to try to prep it. Y'all see the makeup a little too brown. I used to look too much, but it's okay. But y'all see that part? Period, boom, period. So now I'm gonna just comb the hair back just to see what we're working with. And I didn't even pluck this hairline and it looks good for an unplucked hairline. Like, what? Because you don't want your frontal to be going past your ear. It's ugly. Unacceptable. So I just cut it all off. So now I'm gonna glue it down, and I just lift up my wig, and I wipe my head down one more time just to make sure all that oil, sweat, grease, makeup is gone, because now it's time to apply your adhesive. And I use 𝘏𝘠𝘪. I used to use 𝘏𝘠𝘪𝘀, but baby, 𝘏𝘠𝘪 is the truth, baby. And this is 𝘏𝘠𝘪 active, honey, so it's waterproof. Period. You can't tell me nothing. Period. My glue is waterproof, honey. Period. So yeah, I just look at my nails. I just got them done, and they're white. Like a little wannabe hairstylist. I used way too much glue, so I'm just gonna skip this part. Okay, so the glue is dry, I'm pretty sure. Has to be by now. So I'm gonna use my hot comb and I'll comb over it just to bring the hair back. I can cut the lace up.